If you're looking to get free traffic, engage your audience and get hot leads and make daily sales, then you need to be using video. There's no question, video is the most powerful form of content online. Unfortunately, there are some headaches that you run into with video content. Video hosting platforms like Vimeo, Vistia, and YouTube can easily set you back up to $600 per year. Most people don't know how to properly optimize videos and end up getting fake or low quality traffic. And YouTube's skip ad feature often distracts potential buyers, which can negatively impact your results. Plus, there are a lot of sleazy marketers out there that will steal your content. Vimeo, Vistia, and YouTube don't protect you against downloads from others. And how many times have you been irritated waiting several seconds for a video to load? This is the kiss of death, and it can impact your sales in a massive way. And the list goes on and on. If you've done anything with video, you've likely faced at least one of these problems. But what if there was a simple way to fix all of those issues? What if you could host, manage, and publish thousands of HD videos without any uploading or buffering issues? Without worrying about upload limits, views limits, and without having to pay every single month just to be able to continue to upload videos? Hey, Art Flair here from Team Black Belt, and after a few months of hard work, we are proudly presenting a solution to all of these problems. It's called Bolt. Bolt is a brand new all-in-one video hosting and marketing platform with built-in transcoding technology that easily drives unlimited free traffic, leads, and sales without any experience or tech skills required. Bolt works in 3 easy steps. Step 1, upload your videos. Step 2, customize with a few clicks, no technical skills needed. Step 3, publish and share for free traffic and unlimited sales. You can use Bolt to publish sales videos, e-learning videos, demo videos, affiliate review videos, training videos, videos for your website and blogs, ad campaigns, videos for email marketing, social media videos, and much more. And most importantly, you can forget about monthly and yearly fees for Vimeo, Vistia, and YouTube. With Bolt, you pay once and use it forever. Bolt works seamlessly with all major social media, autoresponders, and online business platforms with a few clicks of your mouse. Plus, with Bolt, video has never been easier. No more buffering issues, no more delays, no more confusing interfaces with long learning curves, no more ads before, during, and after your content. You can use custom domains, and you get everything you need to supercharge your videos for bigger and better results. And to make it a real no-brainer, you are fully protected with our money-back guarantee. Try Bolt, and if you don't absolutely love it, just send us an email and we'll refund every penny. Plus, during this initial launch period only, we are also including a commercial license and developers' rights to Bolt, so you can make even more money using Bolt. Normally these upgrades would set you back $297, but today they are yours for free. So don't wait around and miss out. Click on the Buy Now button below to lock in your discount and claim your free fast action bonuses, and I will see you on the inside.